Interior designers break these rules constantly. So why are you still following them? These 7 rules make rooms feel stiff, generic, and strangely uncomfortable to live in. I'm breaking down exactly which ones to ignore and how to do it right. Rule number 1 ruins more rooms than any other piece of advice. Stick around, because Rule 7 might be the one you're breaking right now. Rule 1. Always push your furniture against the walls. This habit makes living rooms feel empty, disconnected, and oddly formal. Floating furniture away from walls creates intimacy and defines real conversation areas. Pull your sofa 6 inches off the wall and add a console behind it. Group seating around a coffee table, not around the room's perimeter. Suddenly, your living room feels like a space made for people. Rule 2. Your furniture set has to match perfectly. Matching sets look like a showroom, not a home someone actually lives in. Mismatched pieces with a shared color story feel collected, layered, and intentional. Pair a vintage wood table with modern upholstered chairs in the same tone. Repeat one material or color across pieces to tie the mismatch together. Now your room has personality instead of looking factory ordered. Rule 3. Never mix metal finishes in the same room. One metal everywhere feels flat, cold, and surprisingly forgettable. 2 metals, like brass and black, add depth and visual interest instantly. Pick a dominant metal, then add a second as quiet contrast and accents. Try brass hardware with black light fixtures, or nickel with warm bronze. The contrast reads as designed, not accidental or careless. Rule 4. Curtains should always match your wall color. Matching curtains disappear into the wall and shrink the entire room visually. Curtains slightly darker or lighter than your walls add dimension and height. Hang curtains close to the ceiling, not just above the window frame. This single trick makes ceilings look taller instantly. No renovation required. Your windows become a feature instead of an afterthought. Rule 5. Commit to one design style throughout your entire home. A single style everywhere feels rigid, predictable, and honestly a little boring. Blending styles, like modern and traditional, creates rooms with real depth. Pair clean modern lines with one antique or ornate statement piece. The contrast becomes the most memorable part of the entire room. Eclectic spaces feel curated over time, not designed in one afternoon. Rule 6. Small rooms need light colors to feel bigger. Pale walls in tiny rooms often emphasize awkward proportions and low ceilings. Dark, saturated colors can make small rooms feel cozy and intentional instead. Paint walls, trim, and ceiling the same deep color for a cocooning effect. This blurs the room's edges, so its small size becomes unnoticeable. Small rooms become the most dramatic photographed spaces in the house. Rule 7. Always hang art at exactly 57 inches high. That number assumes every room and every viewer is identical, which they aren't. Hang art relative to your furniture, not an arbitrary number on a wall. Leave 8 to 10 inches between the sofa top and the bottom of art. Group smaller pieces lower for an intimate, gallery-style feel near seating. Now your art relates to the room instead of floating randomly above it. These rules exist as starting points, not permanent laws for every room. The best interiors break convention on purpose, with intention behind every choice. Save this video, then go break a rule in your own home today.